Hello class, thank you for coming to my week 6 training video. This is a brief overview where we will discuss a training topic, training strategies, the training concepts, and a training example. The purpose of this training is to introduce a new platform application called My Jurupa Valley. This video will be addressed towards code enforcement officers within the Building and Safety Division. The goal of this training session will be to teach the employees how to properly use the My Jurupa Valley app. By the end of the training, they will be able to utilize this app in the field. The strategy for this training will be visual and to utilize a PowerPoint training. It is believed that doing this will allow the employees to watch this video on their own time. And it is hoped that the employees will have a video to return back to whenever they have questions about the application and the features that come with it. The 5 concepts that we will be utilizing for this training will be motivation, relevance, repetition, simulation, and on-the-job training. The first concept we will discuss is motivation. The key to motivation is it is up to the manager to explain the reasons why the training is implemented. Such reasons could be the need to meet change, adapt to new technology, and to explain how old ways are no longer good enough for the way that the agency wants to do the job. It is also important to have open discussion so the manager can identify any issues that employees may have with the training, and the manager can help to resolve those issues. The second concept is relevance. Um, the training has to show that it is related to the job. This could be done through the explanation by the manager or implemented by the training itself. Some useful features to show relevance is to use video, and sometimes the training is just naturally irrelevant to the task at hand. A third concept that we will be using is repetition. Part of the training will be for the employees to have hands-on experience with that feature that will be shown to them, which will also lead to another concept, which is simulation, where they can make mock examples to kind of play with the app that will be shown to them through the training. And the last concept will be real world experience or field training, where the employees will be expected to utilize this app in the field. And if they have any questions or have any trouble with using the app in the field, they can always go to the manager to discuss those issues. Today's training topic will be on the My Jurupa Valley app. It is an app that you can obtain through your app store. The purpose of this app is to create service tickets for issues around the city to be handled by city staff. Once a service ticket is created, it will be assigned to the proper department and then assigned to the proper employee to handle the issue that is being requested upon. So as an employee, once a request is created, it will be sent to the employee's email address, and it will create a type of report number, and all steps or all activities to address those issues will be logged underneath the report number. This is the home page of the app. So the best way to utilize this app is, let's say you're an employee on duty and you see that there is construction going on, but the construction doesn't look too safe. For the example, we'll use a patio cover that looks like it's being used with old wood or doesn't have enough support beams, and you're just scared that one day it might just fall down on somebody. You will go to the app and you will hit the Start Request button in the middle. From here, you will be able to choose a topic. Okay, some topics include abandoned vehicles, construction without permits, graffiti, homeless encampments, property maintenance, stormwater drainage issues. So for the purposes of the example, we will use the construction without permits tab. The employee or the resident can choose to click on that tab to begin creating a service request. Then you will input your address. So in this instance, we will utilize 8930 Limonite as the target location where this possible violation is occurring. And here, you have the option to take a photo. So if you want to take a photo, you can click on the camera, take a photo of the violation, and then it will be attached to the report. The address is filled because you already put that in, and then you have a description. And for a description, it is helpful to implement as much detail as you can. So for the example, it will be an unpermitted patio cover being built that cannot withstand Santa Ana winds or meet seismic activity demands. After inputting that, you will submit the request. After the request is submitted, it will be sent to the supervisor, and the supervisor will delegate who will handle that request or report. The employee then will receive a similar looking email to the one that you see in the presentation. It will have the description, the location, and then upon receiving the request, the employee is to go out to the location and begin their investigation. This app was created to keep track of city issues that the City Hall staff need to address. Employees of City Hall can use this app to track and document the cases that they are working on within the city, and they can reference the report number that is created through the app on their case. So from here on out, you are welcome to create mock cases and simulate cases for the supervisor to assign. Once you feel you're adapted to the software, you are to begin using the software in the field. If any employees have any questions, they can call my cell phone or email me. Thank you.